Alright, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to be showing you how to factory erase your HTC ONE M8. This applies to any model. So you're going to head over to your settings button, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see backup and reset, and then right here it's going to say reset phone and all data. So if you click that, you're going to see that factory data reset will erase all data including your phone's internal storage, including all this mentioned down here. So if you go click continue, you enter your PIN, factory data reset, okay, and then if you give it a second, it will start erasing everything on the phone. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes and it's still starting Android. So it might take another 5 minutes, but essentially that's the first way of how to factory erase your HTC ONE M8 using the settings app. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be posting a second video on how to hard reset your HTC ONE M8. So this includes if you forgot your password and can't get into the actual phone in order to get into the settings button. I'll leave a link in the description. Please check out that video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.